this is Emily coming at you from PG Ford, and today we are looking at the 2022 Ram 3500 Bighorn. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.4 liter HEMI engine and comes with 4-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back of the vehicle here, we can see that we have that nice backup camera, some grip steps, so the likelihood of you slipping is very slim, as well as rear park sensing, which is pretty handy. Going to the side here, we can see that we do have mud flaps on both rear and front tires, as well as gripped running boards, so the likelihood of slipping once again is very slim. Moving to the front here, you can see that we do have front park sensing as well as 2 tow hooks, as well as the nice Ram grille. Moving to the back seats here, we can see that the seats are black with gray interiors, as well as this vehicle does seat up to 6 people, with this seat being the 6th. And if you need a little extra room or cup holders, you can always pull that down as well. And if you need a little extra storage, these seats do pull up to turn into extra storage or a nice little workbench if need be. Looking over here, we do have our own climate back here, as well as 2 USB-Cs and 2 USBs and a 115 volt outlet. We also have 2 cup holders right here under the middle seat here. Moving to the driver's side, we can see that the seat is powered, as well as having the same cloth interior as the back seats, as well as on the passenger side. Moving over here, you do have a lot of space for whatever you need, plus 2 cup holders, which you can remove if you don't need, as well as 3 cup holders up here as well, and little cubby storage right here. Taking a look at the dash here, we can see that the odometer is sitting at 73,000 kilometers. Now moving down to the steering wheel, you do have your cruise control sitting right here, as well as your gear limits, your toggle for your screen, and your phone controls right here, and your voice controls. Moving up here, you do have your screen setup, messages, audio, trailer tow info, trip, fuel economy, off-road, any vehicle info, digital speedometer, and commercial settings. Moving over here, you do have your gear shift up here, as well as your 4-wheel drive capabilities, your trailer disconnect, your 6 upfitter buttons, your tow haul, traction control, rear and front park sensing, dual climate, so no need to fight over the climate. You do have heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. You do have your volume control. You can mute it from here. Oops, hazards. You can turn your screen on or off, and your tune settings. Moving over here, you do have your main screen, which you can see your phone connection and Bluetooth. Oh, wait. Any widgets you may have downloaded. Your Bluetooth connection, such as FM, Sirius XM, and your aux connection. Your comfort and climate settings. Any phones you may have connected, your RAM settings, such as display, safety, clock and date, camera, trailer, and so on and so forth. Any apps you may have downloaded, audio settings, USB, comfort, phone, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay can be a feature in this vehicle, backup camera, and so on and so forth. You can set up a driver profile right here, like what pops up, edit avatar, tutorial, and so on and so forth, which is pretty handy. Looking up here, you do have your assist and your SOS, plus your rear window opener, as you can see there, which comes in pretty handy. Looking down over here with the cup holders, you do have a fair bit of storage here with some coin holders, as well as a USB input. English. And with that 6 additional seat, you have a fair bit of room, as well as you can lift this up for additional space. And down here you do have a 115 volt outlet, which is pretty handy. And with this button here, you can simply just open this for some extra storage space as well. If interested, the stock number is EC45722A. And if interested, you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.